Reel. Come on, buddy. You got it. Well, this is the boys' first time fishing. Yep, Emmerich. See that? Pull your line tight. Oh, hold on. All right, just roll it tight a little bit. Roll up a little bit. Roll it. Just a little bit. You want to get that line that's loose. That's all kinds of fish right here.
I only really see minnows.
You gotta put glasses on. See, look, you caught grass. We like grass you caught. That's your first catch. There you go. You want to hold it? Take a picture of it. There you go. Oh, Emmerich had a bite. Okay. So remember, put your finger here. Open it, but don't reel it all the way up either. Take it. Just cast it out. Did your bobber move? Go there. What? Did you have a bite? Did your bobber move? Yeah. You think it stole your nightcrawler? Oh, it went down? Did you reel? Emmerich had a bite, but he's all mad. Emmerich had a little bite, he's mad. Yeah. It was when I was casting rear ones. We'll get back out there, okay? There you go. Yep. Look. Reel. Got it. You got it. You got it, Emmerich. Emmerich, stand up. Oh, it came off. Oh. It might be for these. There might be small fish here. All right, let's try again. Emmerich. Go. Reel. Stand up. I can't tell. Oh. All right, let me see. Let's get back out there again.
Reel, you're fishing. Reel, and your bobber's gone. Reel.
Reel it.
You gotta
stand.
fish. Reel. Come on. You got a fish, bud.
Come on, get it up there. Hey, go hold the pole. Fish.
You ran out and pulled it out.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Here. Put your finger right there. Put your finger in there. Just like that.
Come on.
Just like that. Now pinch it.
You can hold it.
Now hold it.
Now look at mommy. Smile.
Look at
Mommy. Say cheese. All right, man.
Here, I'll throw it back, okay? Okay, I'm gonna throw it back, okay? Now stay away, don't move. Leland, Emmerich. Watch your bobber. Watch your bobber. Real. Now, yeah, hold up. Now, hold up. Stop. Hold up. Stop. There, go. Hold up. Wait.
Cool.
Emmerich is fine getting some bites. Emmerich, look, watch your bobber. Right, hold up, stop.
Stop.
Hold it. You want me to put it on there for you?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what happened to you? What happened to my girl? What happened to my girl? Won't even bait her own hook anymore. Won't even bait her own hook anymore.
Oh my God, I did twice already.
Ribbon's got to get another worm already. Hey, real. Go, stand up. Real. Oh, you got yellow perch. You caught a yellow perch.
Emma, can I hold your fish up?
All right, put your thumb right here. Put your thumb right there. Oh, like this. Your thumb like that. And squeeze. Squeeze it. There you go.
Mommy. Show me your fish.
Now come and show the camera. Stand right here. Say, look how big this is. Say it. How big that is. All right, ready to let go? What?
I wanted to hold it.
Oh, well.
Good job.
I said, got me there. Oh, crap.
I thought I wanted to catch one like Emma.
Why?
I don't know, because this is cool.
Give me, come on, I got
That's
you.
the biggest one, though. Out of all three.
That's nice eating size there.
Why?
You go, just hold it.
Awesome.
Let me show the other camera. You know that'd be good for flathead bait.
Yeah.
You see Sissy's fish?
Here, you want to touch it?
You want to kiss it?
No.
It's a good luck kiss. Real. Come on, buddy. You got it. You real one. Show the camera. Show the camera. Okay, show it. Say, look my fish.
Hey, fish.
Alright, you want to show Sissy? Okay, show Sissy. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's alright, Layla.
See, you knew the concept. Emmerich, you're getting a bite, so just be patient.
Fish! Fish! Oh, fish is